So, you need to add a privacy policy to your GetResponse landing page, but you don't want to waste time digging through settings or dealing with complicated setups. You're in the right place. I'll walk you through the fastest way to do it, plus, stick around because I'll also share a much better alternative if you're serious about optimizing your landing pages. First, log into your GetResponse account and go to the Landing Pages section. Choose the landing page you want to edit, then click on the editor. GetResponse doesn't have a built-in privacy policy element, so you have to manually add it. Next, drag a text block to the bottom of your page. This is where you'll place your privacy policy link. If you already have a privacy policy on another website, just hyperlink it. If you don't have one, GetResponse doesn't generate one for you, so you'll need to create it separately using a free privacy policy generator and host it somewhere like Google Drive or your website. Another option is to add a button instead of a text link. Set the button's action to Open URL and paste your privacy policy link. This makes it look more professional, but it still requires you to host the privacy policy externally. Now, here's the issue. GetResponse is great for basic landing pages, but it lacks built-in compliance tools. If you need a cookie consent banner, GDPR features, or an auto-generated privacy policy, you're on your own. That's a problem if you're running paid ads, especially on platforms like Facebook or Google, where privacy policies are mandatory. That's why a lot of marketers are switching to tools like Recommended Alternative, which not only lets you add privacy policies effortlessly, but also includes built-in compliance tools, higher converting templates, and better integrations. Plus, through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, longer than what you'd get by signing up directly. I've also listed a few other amazing alternatives in the description, depending on your needs. Check them out below.